I'd like to record a second update for my Pygame Raycaster. I've made a lot of changes since the last update, so one of the main ones is that you can see the bottom of tiles and the top of tiles. So you can see here. I implemented this, I implemented it as solid colors rather than texture mapped because I tried texture mapped and it absolutely demolished performance. I'll show you. So let me CD, then here, boom. As you can see, it's the performance is quite bad when the top and bottom are both texture mapped. So maybe my method is just very unoptimized, but I'm gonna stray away from this. Another thing I added was looking up and down using Y shearing. I mean, I've actually had this the entire time and just never showed it. You can see I also made this tile just change height and so that you can see the variable height walls that this Raycaster can do. Another thing that I added is shooting. So see these entities. Boom. It uses proper Doom style vertical auto aim. Yeah. Oh, another thing is 3D collisions. So these are like proper 3D. The old collision system was 2D collisions, so it basically acted like these walls were infinitely tall and you couldn't go past this point at all. But now it's like proper 3D collisions. Yeah. Oh, one last thing. I optimized the shit out of the renderer using Python. So if I go here, the max I've gotten without recording is around 140 FPS. But with recording, it's like 90 or 85. And then, yeah, when I'm up here, it has to run at the top, so it's a little bit slower. But I think the performance is really good, and this is like actually performance I'm okay with.